Child car seat buckles and seat belts can be hard to unbuckle, especially if you suffer from hand pain associated with arthritis, carpal tunnel, injury, or illness. This problem is now easily solved with the Buckle Bopper. Invented by a mom dealing with a broken thumb, the Buckle Bopper lets you unbuckle your child's car seat with ease. Here's how it works. Place one hand behind the buckle. Press the Buckle Bopper into the buckle. Gently pull down to release the harness. Imagine this. There are 3 children in the back of the car, 2 of them in car seats. A mother or grandmother with an aching hand struggles to unbuckle the 2 in the car seats. Now imagine their relief when they can simply push the Buckle Bopper into the buckle to release it, or even allow the older child to help out. The Buckle Bopper is also great for people with long fingernails and can also be used while wearing gloves in colder climates. Please visit us online to find out how you can own a Buckle Bopper today.